Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called WebDot, which is an all-in-one AI technology that creates stunning websites and record real-time visitors behavior automatically to skyrocket your sales, affiliate commissions, video watch time, traffic commissions and sales without doing any extra work. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 7 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $1500 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.